Hey, what's up, y'all? I just got to Sal's. Y'all just saw me leave Jiffy Lube. I had to get an inspection done real quick because I let my daily driver, I let it lapse. That's the word I'm trying to look for, y'all. But I let it lapse. I had to go stand in that line. I was like, oh no. So I went and got the Jeep done early so that I can get my inspection sticker. They were showing me mad love up there. But the reason why we in this video is because I done hit 70,000 miles, y'all. Oh my goodness. But I bought the Jeep with 60,000, and I know a lot of people ask me, like, they hit me up and they like, do all the SRT Jeeps come with high miles? Y'all, the fact is, yes, you are not going to find an SRT Jeep with low miles nowadays. You probably 50,000. I don't even know if you're gonna find one with 50,000, but you looking in like the 60s, 70s at a minimum. So I done put 10,000 miles on a Jeep in about 2 years. And I had to do a little bit of maintenance, so definitely stay tuned in this video if you've hit 60, 70, or you just got a Jeep and it has 60, 70 on there. You want to make sure that you do these things before you start rolling, because it'll probably help you out. The first thing that I'm doing today, or I've already done, y'all see them fresh rotors. So I got fresh rotors on the Jeep. I went ahead and did fresh rotors instead of getting the other ones turned because I didn't have time to let the Jeep sit down for so long. That's Sal, he finna take out the Jeep to test it out for a minute. The other reason why I'm here is, although I got the rotors done, I still have some shaking. And the shaking happens at about 60 miles per hour. And y'all know, 60 miles per hour ain't nothing. So I gotta figure out what's going on so that I can actually drive my vehicle. So Sal's gonna take it out. He's thinking that it's not in alignment, which is what I came here for. But he has another idea of what it possibly could be. So hopefully he takes it out for a spin. He comes back, he tells me what it is. I'm gonna let y'all follow the process and what he says it is, just in case you might be experiencing it. But I'm telling y'all, like, 60 miles per hour is crazy. But hopefully it's nothing major. I get it taken care of today and I can get back rolling, because there are a few things that are coming up this weekend and over the next few weekends. I mean, it's summertime now. So I'll once it gets back, I'll tap back in with y'all and we'll see what it's saying. So Sal just pulled back up. Y'all can see they got the machine on, the Jeep on some platform. I think he's gonna take off each wheel to see if there's something wrong with the tires or the wheel itself. I haven't hit no curbs, so it shouldn't be nothing wrong with the wheels, but I don't know. It's weird. He just took the wheel over here. He's gonna check to balance it and see if it's possibly a bent wheel. Like I said, I ain't hitting nothing. Is that enough to cause like okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Okay. So I am off, y'all. I'm like, I cannot be riding around with no shaky Jeep. It's a terrible ride. And I was telling them that I had got them balanced when I got these wheels mounted. But he gonna get me right. He gonna clean them up, get them back on the Jeep. I'm wondering if all of them are gonna be off. But I just knew someone right, because I'm telling y'all, 60 miles per hour shaking like that, I don't even want to drive it. All right, y'all, so this one is off even worse.
So it's right there. So now we're adding weights. And they already added weights to where it is right here. We just need to add 125 more.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, they tried to balance it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but it probably knocked some weights off of it.
So definitely a weight issue, y'all. Told y'all I ain't hit no curves. I'm taking care of my baby. I ain't hitting no curves. So I suspect that we probably got an issue all around if we didn't have it on the first 2 tires. But we just gonna check just to make sure, and hopefully I'll be rolling soon. Y'all see blue. Almost all 4 wheels, and he's doing the last wheel. We're off an ounce and a quarter. So all the way around, it was just bad. That's why I knew it was shaking and someone right. So definitely, if you've been rolling on your wheels and you feel some shaking, check your weights on the tire, because of wearing over the course of you using the tires, the weights could get bad or they could fly off, or whatever the case may be. But I am excited that I'm finna be rolling probably here pretty soon, because I miss driving my baby, and I miss driving it the way that I want to drive it, because y'all already know I like to get down. So yeah, we just about done. Was that one off too?
Perfect.
Oh, it's perfect. Y'all had one perfect tire. One. So, but all the other 3 were bad. So he finna get me wrapped up. I think that's probably the end of this process. If y'all are not aware of Sal's Auto Sport, definitely check him out. He's taking good care of me today. Got blue, called up here, made an appointment yesterday. They got me in for today. White glove service, y'all. White glove service. Right off of 290, close to the Beltway. Sal gave me a rundown of things that we could do. We could have did the speed balancing, but he also mentioned that if you do the speed balancing, that you could potentially be overlooking the issue. So that's more of a band-aid fix. And he was like, his recommendation was to pull off each wheel and determine whether they were balanced or not, and that is what we did today. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for somebody to take good care of you for balancing work, definitely come out to South Auto Sport. With the air suspension, most shops do not want to touch the Jeep because it's just different and they don't want to put their hands on it, but Sal was definitely open to it, and I know he's worked with a lot of Mopars and people highly recommend him, so that's why I pulled up. So like I was saying, if you in Houston, make sure y'all check him out so he can get you right, because he just got me right and I'm gonna be rolling and I can't wait to not be shaking. I think they're gonna go ahead and lower the Jeep pretty soon, get me all down so I can check out, and y'all gonna have to stay tuned for what's next, because now your girl finna be out here whipping because she ain't gotta worry about slipping. Oh, I'm finna be a rapper, y'all. Nah, y'all don't want that. Y'all, and we is out of here. What time is it? Let's see. 2 o'clock. I got here at 1 o'clock. My appointment was at 1 o'clock, so they done got me in and out in an hour. All 4 tires, took a look at it. I think they might drive it one more time just to make sure everything's good, but that's finna be out. They got no chill. Y'all know my baby don't be acting right. I be sad, y'all. I don't even want to get on camera like, man, I ain't got it in me if my baby not good. So now that my baby good, I'm finna go roll around town. I'm finna do some other stuff. So y'all might catch a whole bunch of videos. Y'all be like, dang, Kendra, what you just, yes, I was just shooting. I'm happy right now. They had one more thing to do. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit up close because it looked like some Alien versus Predator kind of things hooked on to the wheels. So of course I don't know what they call, but I think they doing something else to balance them. So let me show y'all. Y'all saw those things. I think they're doing something else to the balance, and so what are you guys doing now?
We're doing a set toe.
Okay.
The camber and the caster is good.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but your toes little also.
Oh,
Set toe.
gotcha.
It's supposed to be, 0 and 30.
Gotcha. So they're doing just one extra diagnostic because even though the wheels are balanced, it's still a little bit off. It's supposed to be between 0 and 30. I don't know if y'all can hear what he said, so I'm just repeating that. But it's supposed to be between 0 and 30. I guess it's a little bit more than that. So they're doing an extra check on it. Like I said, y'all, they is getting me hooked up. Definitely trust them with the Jeep. We'll see what they say. Hopefully nothing else is crazy because I don't want to hear no news. I done already done my joy dance. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I did my happy dance too early. I did it too early, y'all. But they're gonna do an alignment. I don't know if y'all can hear me because the car's so loud, but they're gonna do an alignment because the wheel is slightly cocked. And then we'll see where we go from here. Sal's gonna drive it around just to see how much better it got before they do the alignment, and then the next step, do the alignment, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, I thought we was out the clear, but we still here. So hopefully it's not too bad. But we'll see. Y'all stay tapped in. So Sal just went for a drive and he didn't pull it back in, and I heard if he doesn't pull it back in, then that's a good sign. Is it good? Oh, I'm good, y'all.
Drives really well. 90% at minimum, but it came out really good.
Okay.
I think you'll be okay with that.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I want you to drive and see what you think. Also, remember you got all that negative in the wheels, the camber that we talked about, the control arms, and those camber arms, and that you're going to need in the front and rear because you got all that negative in the front.
Okay.
I think we probably touched on that just briefly the last time, but yeah. So I'll show you inside with some of the components they sell to correct that.
Okay.
And then there's also a different way, but I'll go over that with you here in just a little
Okay.
bit.
Okay.
Cool.
Well, all right, y'all. I'm getting ready to check out. Like you said, 90% there, and happy to have my baby back. So we're gonna be on the road soon. Like I said, I appreciate y'all tapping in. I know it was a little bit longer than y'all were expecting, but I'll see y'all on the next video.